Welcome back, everybody. We're out screwing with the old truck again. We're gonna try and shoot where the door latch is. Oh yeah, Nick's back and he's not paying attention.
Yep.
Just barely open it.
Just barely open it.
Yeah, so we're gonna try and shoot the latch and see if we can get the door to open. So like, say it had bulletproof glass or something you couldn't shoot through. We're gonna try and just shoot it where you could open the door. So we brought a 9mm. We'll see if it's enough to get the job done. Alright, we got the 9mm. See if I can hit the latch. Way left. My first time shooting a gun or what?
Probably.
I don't know if this thing's gonna get it.
You want my tip? Just shoot it about 3 feet away from it.
I'm not standing that close. Still filming?
Yep. It's stuck.
Well, we have figured out how to make your car door not open. Oh yeah, we fucked it up. Alright, well, we got half a bar. You wanna shoot?
Huh?
You wanna shoot it?
Nah, I'm not gonna hit shit. Just want to shoot it with a slug.
You're just waiting for me to get out of 9mm so you can go to work.
Oh, we could try buckshot, but that's not gonna be as cool.
Whatever.
Pretty sure you can get it with buckshot. But I'm not gonna stand that close when I do that. In case it not
So
goes
if
through.
you watch one of the videos, Jason was fucking giving me shit. He's like, did you say you're gonna shoot it at kind of an angle because you know this stuff's gonna bounce off? I said, yeah, we shot a car door with fucking birdshot.
Yeah, it kind of gets sketchy. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
I don't know if sights are off or my eyes are fucked up.
Both.
Everything sure likes going fucking left. I mean, don't get me wrong, if you're standing there, you're dead, but...
Oh, yeah.
No, dude, it's like straight wedged.
Yeah.
So this thing's been hit a couple times, but it's just bending stuff. I don't know. So you're gonna have to go right there. Still recording?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we're gonna step up to a 12 gauge, see if we can do it with that. Alright, now we got a 12 gauge. He's got buckshot and slug. I don't know which one he's shooting first.
Buckshot first.
Buckshot first?
Yeah.
That old door latch is pretty resilient.
Fuck no, I just shoot everything else out.
Did you even hit it?
No.
Put a hole there, a hole there. Bent the door. There's a hole down there. Going buckshot again?
Fuck that.
Alright.
Right about here should be good.
Now he's going with the slug. Low. Oh, that might do it.
Oh, linkage is fucked.
Well, it's coming, dude. There's where it went through. You can see all the latch and everything in there. It's coming. You can see it pried out on this side. One more well-placed slug and I bet she's open. Alright. Little jumpy.
Fuck yeah.
Ooh, that might have got it.
Oh, that's bullshit. I hit it, but it's...
Just bent it up even more. Dude, it's so muddy out here. Look at this crap. Oh, it's close. It is close.
Oh, I could use the other two slugs. I still got another 5.
Alright, back with more slugs. Oh.
How are you still holding on to that? Dude, it's like not even going through it. It's just grabbing it. That's a piece of a slug right there.
Yeah. I don't know. Here.
Just go grab something else and just chew it up with it.
It's still recording. I'm gonna see if I can jerk it open. Oh, there you go.
That's because I obliterated the door latch.
Smells like something's on fire. There's what's left of the latch. You can see debris all, or the post that the latch goes around. Here's the latch. Pretty well mangled.
With some buckshot.
Huh?
Go close the door with some buckshot.
Good. Think it'll stay open? Grab that windshield wiper. Alright, we only had 2 rounds left, so we're just screwing off. I really didn't do much.
No. You gotta love buckshot. Where you actually aim.
Trying to take the latch off, and you managed to go all the way around it. It just dented the post behind it.
Oh, what?
It just dented the post behind it. Huh. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week. And this is how you end up on gun fails. That worked a lot better.